How do you handle shipping? I struggle with thinking free shipping is more appealing, but do you raise prices to accommodate or eat the cost? Absolutely. When it comes to offering free shipping on eBay, you just have to factor in that the cost of shipping. I usually only offer free shipping on items that are one, super competitive. So if it's a pair of UGG boots that several other sellers have and everybody else is offering free shipping, obviously I'm going to offer free shipping as well, just to make my item more appealing. But also first class items, I know it's usually going to be at least $5 or less. And that's something I'll just add that $5 onto the initial asking price and just not accept offers and offer free shipping. Those are the usually only times I offer free shipping. I used to offer free shipping on every item, and I would also accept offers. And I realized I was just cutting into my profits way too much. So in order to kind of counteract that, I just decided to, if I'm offering free shipping, I'm not going to accept offers. And if everybody else that's selling the same item that I have, if they're offering free shipping, I'm going to make sure I offer free shipping as well, just so that my stuff is still competitive and people would still be interested.
Cause you felt like you was losing, only for the winner. Mood just to keep from cooling, like only for the winner, only for the winner, only for the winner. Boy, my heart is cold, and I'm too cool to sweat it. I should've never offered it. I'm tight and now I'm off this shit. You should wanna be a real one.